What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Onfully CJ, and I'm back with another video. Alright, I know it's been a minute. It's been about like a good 6-7 months, but I had to take a little time away from YouTube so I can get myself together. And like I said, I want to start up a full YouTube channel. I kind of quit my job. I quit my job to go back to school. Go back to school for a minute so I can see if that's really what I want to do. And I kind of understood that it's not, so I kind of took a different route. And I decided, save and everything. So I get my life together. And as you see by the video, what's about to go down. So at the age of 20, I finally got my own apartment. And it's about time that I do give you guys a tour of it. It took a lot to get here. Rent is a hefty price, but I'm willing to pay it for something that I want to be in. And I'm very comfortable with it. So let's get it on the road. First things first. Kitchen. I kind of like it. It's kind of modern. The only thing that I really wasn't like, it's okay. It's like a comfortable color to me. I'm not really a brown person. It came with a dishwasher. My favorite part. I love it. I don't really have much right now because I'm just now moving in. I got little stuff as you see, cereal, all that good stuff. Just little stuff I bought. Day-to-day stuff I needed. Of course, I got my little snacks and everything. I love this part too because I can see straight through. I'm still looking for like a dining room table set. I don't know what I'm gonna put right there yet. I'm probably using stove like twice. I'll be cooking. I'll be chefing up a little. Dining room area. It ain't that huge, but it's huge enough for me. This is for the TV that's going to be in the living room. Well, I got my living room TV in here. It's right here. Got a cool 65-inch, but this only until I get my 70-inch. Walmart. Sorry, y'all played me on my TV. I had to cancel the order because they said they didn't have it when I ordered it a while ago. So this is really supposed to be for the living room. As you see, I bought my living room set. I kind of love it. It's very comfy. I'm not even gonna cap to you. I could do this all day. Like, honestly, when I'm not at work, this is exactly what I'm doing. That, or playing that. So far, I am loving the fact that I do have my own place. It's very comfortable. People saying being an adult is hard. It's really not hard. It's just, once you get the hang of it, it's very simple. You just gotta take your responsibilities like any other person in this world. I have a very big, front closet. I don't think I have nothing in here. Oh, nope. Just a game box. Something I brought my shoes in. It's kind of big. I like that too. I ain't not gonna cap to you. Let's see. Let me take you a little further. The light's kind of weird. You see I got a light right here and a light right there. And it's just nothing in there. I was gonna go to the bedroom first, but I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Get this up. Girlfriend been in here. You feel me? All right, so it's really not much in here, but the bathroom kind of big. I'm never gonna cap to you. The bathroom, I just got something simple for right now until I go, actual shopping and everything together stuff. I don't know why it's another mirror on this side, but I'm okay with it. I kind of like it. I'm never gonna lie to you. Of course, you know what I do here, showers, teeth brushing, all that good stuff. And it's the best part to me. My closet goes into my bedroom. My bedroom goes into my bathroom. This side, as you see, obviously I moved all my stuff for my girlfriend so, she can have room for her stuff. And this side, of course, will be mine. Of course, I got the J's, I got the Vapor Max, all that good stuff. I still ain't really put up much. That's why everything is still much in the bag, so I can get everything together. And my bedroom is actually kind of big. It just looked like, I guess, I always through the camera for some reason. It always makes something seem smaller than what it is, but it's actually kind of huge. And I barely even sleep in here because as soon as I get off work, I just fall on the couch and go to sleep. So when I do go to sleep in here, I make sure our doors closed and all that good stuff. But so far, this is really like one of the best things that I've ever done because like I really got time to myself. I really don't even get that. So it's like a big step to me for real. I don't really do nothing here. I play the game. I probably done had a couple people over here and there type thing. Yeah, I don't know for real. I mean, got little stuff. I bought this off of this boy at this gas station. I mean, he got a little hustle going. I respect that, so I bought a picture of him for double the price of what he was selling it for. Because I mean, it's hard out here, and it's better to be, trying to do something productive with yourself. And he's selling paintings, and I feel like in drawings, I feel like he could actually go somewhere with that. So why not give back to somebody? And if you give back, blessings gonna come to you too. That's really the best part about it. And I really just been on my tippy toes and all that, just trying to stay out the way, handle everything the way I'm supposed to handle it. And right now, this is really just my debut back to YouTube. So it's kind of like, kind of weird for me right now. So I'm just trying to get back and get back used to it. Let me show you outside. It's kind of like, let me see. Thing on this side? Yeah. It's kind of nice. I'm loving the way the grass look. They actually keep everything maintained out here. I actually like it. It's kind of cool with me. Then of course I got the same thing on the other side. See if I can show you guys that while I'm doing everything. Oh yes. See if it make a difference in here. Thumbnail, you already knew it was coming. I'm sorry, I had to do it. See, let me do another quick walk around for you guys so you can see everything. I honestly like these stoves better than other ones because, the gas stoves really, it's a lot more, and it would have been a little more on my rent. I ain't got time for that. The dishwasher, I never really use it. I wash dishes by hand. My mother told me that it's actually better that way because when I wash dishes in the dishwasher, it seems like it doesn't get everything, so I'd rather just do everything by hand. And as you see, you obviously see, gray is my favorite color. Go back to the bathroom and all that. I got all the little matching products and everything of the sort. Of course, bathroom mat, everything, bedroom. It's the blue and gray. What else? I just showed you the living room set. Living room set, I think it's just like a gray and like a salmon color. I believe so. Yeah, it's like a gray and like a salmon color. I love it. The light is hidden in here like that. But guys, that was really all it for this video. I just want to give you guys a quick, turnaround of what I'm doing right now. How's life going for me? Life is actually going as expected. Like everything is the way it need to be, the way it should be. And I just want to give you guys, a quick little run around and everything. And I will be back for another video, guys, real soon. So I very do appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will get back to y'all. Thank you.